10th Standard Social Science, 1 mark questions. Political Science, Unit 5, International Institutions. Which organization was founded after the end of First World War? League of Nations. Why did League of Nations end? League of Nations ended with the beginning of World War II. Name the leaders who are responsible for the establishment of UNO. Winston Churchill of United Kingdom, Joseph Stalin of USSR, and Franklin D. Roosevelt of USA. Who proposed the World United Nations? Franklin D. Roosevelt. Where was the first conference of UNO held? San Francisco. When was United Nations Organizations officially founded? October 24, 1945. Where is the headquarters of UNO? New York City. How many member nations are there in UNO at present? 193. How many chapters and articles are there in the UN Charter? 19 chapters and 111 articles. How does the sentence of UN Charter begin with? We, people of the world community. Which is an affiliated body of UNO consisting of representatives from all the member states. General Assembly. When does the General Assembly meeting begin? The General Assembly meeting begins around September and continue till mid-December every year. Which organ of UNO is known as Global Parliament? General Assembly. Which organ of UNO is known as the Cabinet of UNO? Security Council. Which is the most influential body of UNO? Security Council. How many member nations are there in Security Council? 15. Name the 5 permanent members of the Security Council. France, USA, UK, Russia and China. India is trying to become the permanent member of which organ? Security Council. Who selects the judges of International Court of Justice? Security Council. Who suggests the nomination of Secretary General for UN? Security Council. How many member nations are there in Economic and Social Council? 54 members are there in Economic and Social Council. Which organ of UNO coordinating the functions of ILO, FAO, and WHO, Economic and Social Council, which is basically a sub-organization of General Assembly, Trusteeship Council. The importance of Trusteeship Council has got reduced. Why? As the areas depending on trusteeship have got reduced over a period of time, its importance also got reduced. Trusteeship Council has become inactive now. Why? Because there is no trustee left. How many judges are there in International Court of Justice? There are 15 judges in International Court of Justice. What is the term of judges of International Court of Justice? The term of judges of International Court of Justice is 9 years. Where is the head office of International Court of Justice? Hague of Netherlands. The Secretary General and the staff of the UNO form the part of which organ of UNO? Secretariat. Who is the head of the executive body of UNO? The General Secretary. Who elects the General Secretary of UNO? The General Secretary is elected by the General Assembly as per the suggestions of Security Council. Where is the head office of the Secretariat? New York. Where are the branch offices of the Secretariat? Geneva, Vienna, and Nairobi. Who runs the day-to-day administration of the UNO? The Secretariat. The achievements of UN is a mixed one. Why? Due to lack of unity among permanent members of the Security Council and the complexity of global issues, the achievements of UNO is a mixed one. There is more space of the functioning of UNO in future. Why? Because the Cold War has ended now. When was Food and Agriculture Organization FAO founded? 1945. Why was Food and Agriculture Organization FAO founded? To fight against poverty, malnutrition, and hunger all over the world. Where is the head office of Food and Agriculture Organization? The head office of FAO is at Rome. When was World Health Organization WHO founded? 1948. Why was World Health Organization founded? WHO was founded to improve the health of the world community. Where is the head office of World Health Organization? The head office of WHO is at Geneva of Switzerland. When was United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization UNESCO founded? 1946. Where is the head office of United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization? The head office of UNESCO is in Paris. Which institution strives to improve the science, education and culture of the world? UNESCO. When was United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund UNICEF founded? 1946. Why was United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund UNICEF founded? UNICEF was founded for the benefit of the children. When did United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund UNICEF become a permanent body? 1953. What is the main aim of United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund UNICEF? The main aim of UNICEF is to create conducive environment for the development of children and women. Which organization of UNO received Nobel Award? UNICEF. Which institution is known for its human outlook? UNICEF. Why does UNICEF sell greeting cards? UNICEF sells greeting cards to generate funds to fund its various functions. Where is the head office of International Monetary Fund IMF? The head office of IMF is in Washington, D.C. Which organization has been often appreciated for its efficiency and transparency? International Monetary Fund IMF. Which is called as the central bank of many central banks of different nations? International Monetary Fund IMF. Which organization is called as World Bank? International Bank for Reconstruction and Development IBRD is called as World Bank. Where is the head office of International Bank for Reconstruction and Development IBRD? Washington, D.C. Why was International Bank for Reconstruction and Development IBRD founded? IBRD was founded to ensure economic progress after the Second World War. Name the two cooperative organizations function under the World Bank. International Development Association IDA, International Finance Corporation IFC. Why was International Labour Organization ILO founded? ILO was founded for the development of laborers across the world. Where is the head office of International Labour Organization ILO? The head office of ILO is in Geneva of Switzerland. Expand UNCTAD, United Nations Conference on Trade and Development. When was World Trade Organization WTO founded? WTO was founded in January 1st, 1995. Expand GATT, General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade. Which organization is considered as the third important pillar of world trade along with IMF and World Bank? World Trade Organization WTO. Which are the pillars of the world trade? The pillars of the world trade are IMF, IBRD, WTO, International Monetary Fund, International Bank for Reconstruction and Development, World Trade Organization. What is the old name of Commonwealth of Nations? British Commonwealth of Nations. When was Commonwealth of Nations founded? 1926. Who remains the nominal head of Commonwealth of Nations? The King of England. Where is the head office of Commonwealth of Nations? London. Who participate in the meetings of Commonwealth of Nations? The Prime Ministers, Finance Ministers and External Affairs Minister of the member states. Expand SAARC, South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. When was SAARC founded? SAARC was founded in the year 1985. How many member nations are there in SAARC? There are 8 member nations in SAARC. Name the member nations of SAARC. India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bangladesh, Maldives, Bhutan and Afghanistan. What is the main aim of SAARC? To foster mutual ties along with the economic progress and cultural progress. What is hampering the progress of the SAARC? Mutual suspicion and different opinions among the member countries is hampering the progress of SAARC. What is creating obstacles to the progress of SAARC? The policy that all decisions need to be taken unanimously is creating obstacles to the progress of SAARC. Where is the head office of SAARC? The head office of SAARC is in Kathmandu. which is an institution of 28 European countries, European Union. When was European Union founded? 1993. Name the four subdivisions of European Union: Committee, Commission, European Parliament, European Court of Justice. Which organization is continuation of earlier European Economic Community, EEC, European Union? Expand ASEAN, Association of Southeast Asian Nations. Which are the founding member nations of ASEAN? Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, Philippines and Thailand. In which organization India is in observer position? ASEAN. Which organ replaced the Organization of African Unity in 2002? African Union.